Welcome to all the learners of the course Transition to Online Facilitation 101. The members of Group 2 are pleased to present a tutorial on Flubaroo. Flubaroo is a autograder. This tutorial will explain how to use Flubaroo for the autograding of assignments on Google Forms. So this is my Google form for TYCO Chemistry Revision. This form collects email IDs because eventually we'll have to email the grades to the students. It has other questions like name, roll number, etc. to identify the student. In addition to the usual questions of MCQs, true or false, and other things, I like to usually include a short answer or a paragraph type of question in the form so that both the assessments are done at the same time. Once the responses are recorded, you will get a response sheet called student submissions in the following manner, which will have all the answers, multiple choice, etc. It will also have answers to the short question. Now, let us see how we will use Flubaroo to assess these questions. You have a tab called as add-ons. Click on add-ons. The add-on Flubaroo is already there. I've used Flubaroo to grade this assignment. So let me use it again to regrade this assignment. So Flubaroo will go through the steps. The first step is it will ask you to select a grading option for each of the questions, right? So if it is the multiple choice, I will give 1 point. If they are questions which will identify the student, for example, email, class, roll number, these are identifiers for the student. So you can choose that as identify the student or script grading as the case may be. For short answer questions, normal grading cannot be possible. So we will choose grade by hand. We continue. Then in the second step, it will ask you to choose that particular submission which should be used as answer key. So whenever you send out a form, finally before the assessment, I also give in a answer submission, and we can choose your answer as the key for assessing this. So I choose this and then I continue. Flubaroo will start grading as per your answer. This usually takes a minute or two. It generates a new spreadsheet called as grades, and you can see that the grading is in progress. Once the grading is done, Flubaroo will populate the columns and will tell you that grading is complete. And during this process, it gives you a number of tips which you can use for your future reference. So you can see that Flubaroo has graded all the auto grading questions and left question which has to be graded by hand. This column is empty. Okay, so now it is up to you to look at the student submissions. This is the student submission and give a mark. So I have given 1 mark to all the students. Flubaroo will recalculate and give the total points for each student. So this is the total points scored by the students and this is the percentage of marks. In addition to this, Flubaroo gives a feature where percentage of students who have answered each question right. So this particular question was answered correctly by 85% of the students, and so on. You can also have, if your test is difficult, then you can also have markers which will tell you which question was answered by the least number of students. So you can have red and orange identifiers. Let's go back to Flubaroo and let's see option share grades. So what Flubaroo will do is it can give you an option of using the student email ID and share it with each one of them. You can also share it via Google Drive or share via both email and Drive. It gives you an option of including the list of question and scores and the answer key and an optional message to be included. I'm not going to click this tab continue because I've used a test which I have done before, and if I click continue, emails will go out to all the students once again. Flubaroo can also have some advanced options like it can print grades. This will create a single Google document which will contain the grades of all students. This can be later printed and distributed. So if I click continue, so it will generate a Google sheet which will be called as printable grades. And so for each of your student, there will be name, email ID, and the student answer, the correct answer, and the points that was received for each of those questions. You can either print it and distribute, or you can store it in your Google Drive. So this gives the grade for each student for each test. So you can integrate this with the Google Classroom. Thank you very much for your attention.